Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best oven element is probably one of the most crucial components in ensuring your oven heats up evenly and efficiently, making it a vital part of your kitchen's functionality. When your oven starts to struggle with temperature consistency or fails to heat altogether, a faulty heating element is often the culprit, and replacing it can breathe new life into your appliance, saving you the cost and hassle of a full oven replacement. This guide will walk you through the essential factors to consider when selecting a new oven element to ensure a perfect fit and optimal performance for your specific oven model. Number 5. PRYSM Bake Element WB44T10010. This is a direct replacement for your GE oven's bake element. It's compatible with GE models and replaces several part numbers, including WB44T10010. Enhance your oven's baking efficiency with this premium element. It ensures even and consistent heating for perfect baking and roasting results every time. Measuring 18 inches in length on the front end, it's designed for a seamless fit. Installation is straightforward with common tools, making it ideal for replacing worn or broken elements. Constructed with premium materials directly from the OEM factory, this element is built to endure high temperatures. Its UL certification guarantees safety and reliability for your peace of mind. Rated at 240 volts and 2585 watts, it offers superior heating efficiency. Manufactured in North America with durable materials, it ensures consistent and reliable oven performance. What we like. This bake element is a direct replacement for many GE models, ensuring a seamless fit. It's UL certified for safety and made in North America, guaranteeing high quality and durability. If you're looking for a reliable, safe, and long-lasting replacement for your GE oven, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Fit perfectly, and this is a relatively easy repair. Most require some minor work in the back of the oven to make the connection to the wires, but not difficult to attach. We did not experience any sort of smells after the first use, and now the oven is heating up to temperature quickly. This one was made to exact standards and was a 10-minute replacement without any further issues. One thing they don't warn you about is the manufacturing smell you get from a new element like this, so I made sure that I wiped it down well with 70% alcohol before installing it. Virtually no smell at all upon first heat up. Perfect. Exact replacement for my Kenmore oven. Lower heating element. Arrived undamaged and new. Easily installed. Oven preheated in 8 minutes, first time in years. Number 4. AMI Parts WB44K10005 Oven Bake Element. Introducing the AMI Parts WB44K10005 Oven Bake Element, designed for optimal performance. This replacement part ensures your oven heats up efficiently for all your cooking needs. With dimensions of 17 to 14 inches L by 15 to 12 inches W and specifications of 2,585 watts, 240 volts, it's built for a powerful and precise heating experience. This element is a direct replacement for WB44K10001, 824269, AP2030964, and more. It's the perfect solution if your current oven heating element is broken or not working. It offers excellent compatibility with numerous GE and Hotpoint oven models. If you're unsure about fitment, our team is ready to assist you in confirming compatibility. At AMI Parts, your satisfaction is our priority. If you encounter any issues, please reach out to us for a prompt resolution and refund. Remember to disconnect power before installation for safety. What we like. This bake element offers precise compatibility with a wide range of GE and Hotpoint oven models. It comes with dedicated customer support to help you confirm fitment. If you have a specific GE model and want assurance of compatibility with helpful support, this is the one to consider. What people say. Easy to replace the old with the new. Worked extremely well. Arrived in excellent condition. Easy to install. Fit perfectly in our old Hotpoint RB787 oven. Old element was producing little to no heat during baking preheat process. This replacement fixed the problem. Perfect fit and easy to install. Number 3. AMI Parts WB44T10010 Oven Bake Heating Element. Is your oven heating inconsistently or not at all? It might be time to replace your bake heating element. This premium quality replacement is designed to restore your oven's performance. This part, WB44T10010, is a direct replacement for your oven's bake heating element. It's designed to fit a wide range of GE oven models, ensuring a perfect fit. Crafted from premium quality materials, this heating element is built to last. It has been well tested by the manufacturer to ensure reliability and durability for your cooking needs. Replacing your oven's heating element is straightforward. Remember to cut off the power supply before installation for safety. Get your oven back to optimal heating in no time. At AMI Parts, your satisfaction is our priority. If you encounter any quality issues with your new heating element, please contact our customer service. We are committed to resolving any problems. This heating element is compatible with numerous GE oven models, including JBS 55WK, JBP 68WD, JBP 24BH, and many more. Check the list to ensure it's the right fit for your appliance. What we like. This bake element is crafted from premium materials for enhanced durability and is designed for straightforward installation. It's a great option for replacing elements that are broken or heating inconsistently. If you need a high-quality, easy-to-install replacement that fits a broad spectrum of GE ovens, this is a solid pick. What people say. The element heats up quickly and evenly, ensuring consistent cooking temperatures. Installation was straightforward, and the element fit perfectly into my oven. It has maintained its performance over several months of regular use. Number 2. WB44T10010 Oven Element Replacement. Introducing the WB44T10010 Oven Element, designed for safe and efficient heating. Its upgraded material ensures durability and performance for your baking needs. This heating element is a perfect replacement for various GE Spectra range and oven models. Ensure your appliance is back to optimal performance with this compatible part. We also offer compatibility with numerous Kenmore oven models. If you're experiencing heating issues, this element is designed to solve them effectively. Crafted from food-grade thickened stainless steel with a compact nickel chromium wire and insulating electromelted crystalline magnesium, it guarantees safe heating. Is your electric oven not working or generating enough heat? This replacement part is designed to fix common heating issues, ensuring your oven bakes perfectly every time. This element directly replaces part numbers like WB44T10010, ERWB44T10010, and more. It's an easy and effective solution for your oven repair needs. What we like. Featuring an upgraded, food-grade thickened stainless steel construction, this oven element ensures safe and efficient heating. It's designed to resolve common heating issues like insufficient heat or melted elements. If you prioritize safety, durability, and a solution for specific heating problems in your GE or Kenmore oven, this is a superior option. What people say. The bottom of my pizzas was still soft after 20 minutes at 400 degrees. Figured it was the bottom heating element, so I ordered the replacement part. Fast shipping, easy installation, and my oven works again. Works perfect for our GE range. Easy to replace and works fabulous. Number 1. AMI Parts WB44T10011 Oven Bake Element. Introducing the AMI Parts WB44T10011 Oven Bake Element, a high-quality replacement designed for your GE and Kenmore oven. It ensures accurate and reliable performance for all your cooking needs. This bake element is engineered for precision, providing even heat distribution every time. Enjoy perfect results for all your culinary creations with this dependable part. Crafted to withstand high temperatures and frequent use, this element offers long-term performance. It meets OEM standards, ensuring you get the quality you expect. This replacement part is compatible with a wide range of GE and Kenmore oven models. If you're unsure about compatibility, we're here to help you find the right fit. Ensure your oven is unplugged and cool before installation to avoid electric shock or burns. Replacing your bake element is straightforward, bringing your oven back to optimal performance. If your oven isn't heating evenly or at all, this bake element is the solution. It's designed to fix common issues like insufficient heat or overheating, ensuring consistent baking. What we like. This bake element boasts a higher wattage of 3,410 watts, ensuring powerful and even heat distribution for perfect baking results. It meets OEM standards for reliability and performance. If you're seeking a high-performance element that guarantees consistent cooking and can handle frequent use in your GE or Kenmore oven, this is the ideal upgrade. What people say. Element heats up right away and works fantastically. Fit my GE oven as advertised. Still working. Change your N- to 10 minutes EDSA fate tout and difference. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.